I do not believe in taking the right decision. I take a decision and make it right. No. Think 100 times before you take a decision, but once that decision is taken, stand by it as one man. Teen. With faith, discipline, and selfless devotion to duty, there is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve. 4. We are now all Pakistanis, not Baluchis, Pathans, Sindhis, Bengalis, Punjabis, and so on, and as Pakistanis, we must feed, behave and act, and we should be proud to be known as Pakistanis and nothing else. પાંch. Expect the best, prepare for the worst. 7. No struggle can ever succeed without women participating side by side with men. 8. We are victims of evil customs. It is a crime against humanity that our women are shut up within the four walls of the houses as prisoners. No. You are free. You are free to go to your temples. You are free to go to your mosques or to any other place of worship in the state of Pakistan. 10. There are two powers in the world. One is the sword and the other is the pen. There is a great competition and rivalry between the two.